In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve a disabled Discord account. If you've tried logging into Discord and discovered that your account has been disabled, it can be a worrying experience. However, a disabled account does not always mean that access is permanently lost. In many situations, users are able to recover their accounts by understanding the reason for the action and following the correct appeal process. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the recommended steps to give yourself the best chance of restoring access to your Discord account. The first thing you should do is understand why Discord accounts may become disabled. Common reasons include behavior that resembles spam, the use of automation tools, suspicious login activity, excessive friend requests, or violations of Discord's community guidelines and terms of service. Understanding the possible cause can help you provide better information during the appeal process. Next, check your email inbox carefully. Discord often sends a notification explaining why an account has been disabled. Look for any messages related to account actions, security concerns, or policy violations. These emails may contain useful details about what triggered the restriction and what options are available to you. If you've been using any third-party tools, modified clients, automation software, or scripts with Discord, stop using them immediately. These tools are among the most common reasons accounts become restricted or disabled. Discontinuing their use is important before attempting to recover your account. You should also take steps to secure your account. If you suspect unauthorized access, change the password associated with your email account and strengthen your account security. If access is eventually restored, enabling two-factor authentication can provide additional protection against future issues. Once you've reviewed the situation, visit Discord support and submit an appeal. Navigate to the support request form, choose the appropriate trust and safety category, and select the option related to appealing an action taken on your account. When writing your appeal, remain polite and professional. Clearly explain that you would like the decision reviewed and avoid using aggressive or confrontational language. Be sure to provide accurate information throughout the appeal. Use the email address associated with the account and include your Discord username. Explain what you were doing before the account became disabled and provide any relevant details that may help support staff understand the situation. After submitting your appeal, patience is important. Reviews can take several days, and repeatedly submitting multiple tickets may slow down the process. One clear and detailed appeal is usually the best approach. Finally, take preventative measures moving forward. Avoid spam-like behavior, stay away from suspicious servers, don't use automation tools, and never share your login credentials with anyone. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like. Subscribe to the channel.